I am officially tired of meme coins. You see, when you go to Twitter, you're going to see a lot of persons saying they bought the coin with $100 and they made $1 million from it. Some persons say they bought with $500 and they made $50,000 or many figures like that. And you're also thinking that if you invest your small money, you might make life-changing gains from that particular meme coins. And sometimes you go ahead to invest $10 thinking you're going to make $100,000. Or some persons go as far as investing their life savings, and at the end of the day, they lose everything. This is the story for most of you. I know right now a lot of you have given up on trading meme coins. You're like, these are scams, you can actually make money from this, insiders this, and crazy things like that. But a lot of persons have made money from meme coins, myself included. And this simply tells you that you might be doing something wrong. Because myself, I have made crazy money from meme coins. My car, the house I live, and every other thing you can think about actually came from meme coins. In fact, 90% of the money I've made this year so far were from meme coins. So it simply tells you that if you're not making money or you're losing a lot of money, you are actually the person doing something wrong. And I want to show you what you can start doing right now to change the trajectory of your life in meme coins trading. So this video is going to simply be an experience I've actually encountered in the course of trading meme coins over the years, and how I've been able to transform this knowledge to helping myself make crazy gains in this market. Now, these are the kind of videos you need to watch if you want to make it in this bull market. So let's get started. The first reason why you're losing a lot of money on meme coins is because of FOMO, FOMO. That is fear of missing out. Now, a lot of you might go to dexscreener, for instance, and you're going to see a coin that have done, like this one has done 80 million% in the past 24 hours. And then probably you just saw this coin somewhere around there thinking it's going to continue going up, and you just rush to invest in it and you end up losing all your money. And first of all, this coin is actually a honeypot, which means if you buy, you might most likely not be allowed to sell your token. Because you don't know how to do proper research, you've ended up buying a honeypot. And even if it was a token that wasn't a honeypot, you've also ended up buying the top, and you've actually lost money trading meme coins. Now let me pull out another coin and let me show you what you would have done for a coin that have performed really well. Now let's take a look at this coin right here. Now imagine if you had seen this coin somewhere around here, around $1 million market cap, and you're asking yourself, should I buy? Is this thing going to continue going up? And then because you're afraid of missing out, you ended up buying and then you've lost money. Now this is what you would have done. I'm going to take out this volume right here, and let me make this full screen so you see it quite better. So personally, for me to invest in any meme coins, after doing my research, I still don't buy until it actually fits the entry point for me. So most times I use Fibonacci retracement. I take it from the bottom to the top and find out to see if this is sitting at the 0.7 region. Now this 0.7 region is more like the golden region for meme coins. Oftentimes, if it's for normal coins, they're actually 0.5 to 0.6 region. But meme coins actually go down to as low as 0.7 region. So this is potentially a very good spot I would be buying this coin. I wouldn't buy it at this very top right here. Now, let's do some calculation. Imagine if you have bought this coin at this point, and then this coin has been going down since. Imagine from where it is to where it is right now, you've actually lost about 77% of your money. Now imagine if this coin keeps going down, you see that you've actually lost everything. Now for someone that entered this coin at this 0.7 region, imagine if they had gone down a little bit, you'd have lost like 30%, and then you quickly exit the trade. Even though it goes down more, you can see you're still at 50% loss compared to someone that bought at this top here. You can see the person would have lost a lot more from this particular coin. So that is why you don't have to jump into trades blindly. You need to look at the chart properly, and then it tells you that this is a very good point to buy, not when the coin has pumped a lot and then you're investing in it very late. The second thing is taking profit. So sometimes you might have bought a very good coin and then you've made 100, 200, 300, 500%, and you've not sold anything because you probably think this coin will go way higher, and before you know it, you ended up losing all the money you've made from that particular trade. Well, we can see that you're not doing it the right way. Now, personally, if I've seen a coin I don't have conviction in, after 100%, I take out 50% of my money, and that way I've been able to recover my capital. Now, because the market is actually changing, I sometimes stay for higher than 100% profit and then take out at least my capital. Now your capital is very important. Now let's look at the chart first of all before I talk more about taking profit. So this is the coin I used for the last example, and let's say this coin was created at this point. So let's look at this coin right here. You can see after this coin was created, it ran up to this very point and there was slight retracement. So that tells you that some persons have actually sold, and After that, it moved up a little bit more. You can see it actually came down more. It moved up, came down, and then it moved up this final point, and after there it has been down to this very point. So this tells you that a lot of persons have made some crazy gains. Imagine buying from this point and it has gotten to this very point. You should obviously be taking profit. And that is why we have the red and green candles. The red candles, because people are actually selling, they are taking profit for their investment. Sometimes it could also be some person selling on loss. Now, but this tells you that taking profit is very, very important if you want to be profitable trading meme coins. So if you've seen your first 100-200%, you should actually be planning to take out your initials, except you have convictions in that particular coin. Now, taking out your initials helps you just in case anything happens to the coin, you still have your capital preserved. So this is actually the best ways you could actually do it. But if it's a coin you have conviction in, sometimes I stay up to like 500% profit before I take out some money and then let the rest of it ride higher. But if you don't have conviction, then make sure you're taking profit at the first 100 to 200%. You're taking out your capital immediately. Now, the third thing you need to know is millions of meme coins are created daily, and over 80% of them does not survive after the first 10 minutes, and 99% of them don't even exceed 24 hours. And this simply tells you that there will always be meme coins. So if you are able to get hold on any meme coin and you are seeing profit, it is important to take profit and move on to the next one, because that is how the space have been designed. Platforms like pump.fun help people create millions of tokens daily, and this has actually caused saturation in the market. So because people have realized that there is saturation, obviously the best ways is enter a particular coin, make profit from it, move on to the next one, and this is going to continue like this, except this platform decide to close up one day. But right now we have a lot of meme coins already, and it is a very big problem. So always have this in mind when trading meme coins. Final thing I'm going to talk about in this video is don't invest blindly. Before investing into any meme coin, it is important to do your proper research before investing. Sometimes you look out for the socials, look out for the memes. Is it actually memeable? And if it's not, then you just have to move on or make a quick profit and move on to the next one. And you also have to look at the holders. If a particular person is holding more than 50% of a particular supply, obviously the person is going to dump one day and then the coin is just going to go to zero straight up. And even if the top 10% are holding a lot of supply, that is actually a problem, because they might dump their bag and it ends up going to zero. So you have to be wary of these things when you start looking out for meme coins to invest in. And guys, there's a lot of things to talk about in this video, but it is getting so long. And if you want to learn more about some of these things I've talked about and how to become profitable trading meme coins and other cryptocurrencies, I've done a cryptocurrency, DeFi and meme coin course, which would guide you from a beginner's level to an expert level. The website to sign up for that course is uchecrypt.com. Go to the website right now to purchase the course. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I will appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to this channel, and click on that bell icon to receive updates about more awesome content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.